Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about our 2.1 task, which is of the DSA SIT221. In this video, we are going to discuss about our task, which is based on our sorting. So basically, we can see there are two types of sorting. I just put there. One second, where it is. So like we add these two things. There are two types of comparer. Like first one, they both are the like two types of sorts. But the thing is, they both are takes different types of input. Like the sort normal one, like if we talk about this one, it will work as a like a normal one because it will take no input. It works based on our default rules. And so the inputs, like if we talk about this one, like the void, public void sort, I comparer, T comparer, in this, it will try to set the custom comparisons in this, like C hash code will be like decide like which type of sort it's gonna be called and what we gonna pass, like it's based on our input. So if we see like um in public void sort, like there is a data which is look like a, it is the array is in our vector, and this is the actual storage which where we defined our the private t data, and the zero is the location from like from which index number it going to be start, and the last one is a count which is defined as the like count. So like the number of arrays, like a number of elements we gonna work on, like number 20 till 0 to 20, like 0 to 15 depends on our till what we are going to be sort. And after that, if we talk about the I comparer, it is the like it will do the comparison between two things, like if we have a data of student names and the IDs. So basically if it will work first on the ID, then it will compare on the basis of um, on the both sides. So if we, because in this one we are going to discuss on the vector.cs and the tester.cs, these both two files are provided in 1.1 as well. So so in 2.1 this is the upgradable level of 1.1. So if we see like if we go to the tester.cs, in which we uh, apply different types of sorting techniques, so we will see like the first one is the ascending comparer. In this, like it will automatically compare by itself, not by anything, any different type of tile, or just individually they will do. Like there are the two numbers, like int a and b. So it basically it works on a minus b, and if the a is less and the b is greater, so the automatically it's work like based on our sending thing. It will sort from the lesser to greater, and the same thing it will work like in the descending comparer as well. But in this one the algorithm works like on b minus a. So in this when uh, the b should be greater than a, it will be arranged in the greater order. And if we talk about the even number first comparer, so in this what it will be do is like compare the both the numbers. And if the like is if we do the a minus b, so if a minus b, like if we get the negative output, so like the a comes before b, and if it's positive then a comes after the b. So it based work like it will get the all the even numbers on the left hand side and all the odds are on the right hand side, because in this algorithm we will do like the number which will get the divided by 0 and 2, and remainder get 0. It means that is 0, which is a even. And if the number is get divided by 2 but still we get a remainder like 1, then it means that we have a 1. So which means it's a odd, so it will put all the even numbers on the left hand side and then the all the odd elements on the right hand side. And here we make a student class in which we will write the name, student ID, and here we just put the all the IDs into the string manner. And here we compare all together one by one. And if we see, like if we talk about the ascending comparer, like what I will write in the vectors.cs to sort on the custom comparer. For that, if you see in this one, like so they are the two types of list, student A and student B. So basically the algorithm works like is, if A equals to null and B also equals to null, it will return zero. So it means like if they both have same value, or like if A is a empty seat and B is also empty seat, so it will not going to be compare both of them. So it will take a less time, and it will just work on the elements what we have and not on the null values. So this is just for the confirmation that we have a data or not there. So in, like in ascending order, if A is null, so it should be return B. So what that means, like if A is a null, it means A doesn't exist, but whereas the B exists. So it means A has a lesser value than B. So it automatically A will come first and B will comes after that. And if B is null, it's reciprocal like the, now the B doesn't exist, but A exists. For that reason, like B will come first, and after that the A will come later on. And after that, and then after that, it will compare the AID with the BID to sort them in the ascending order. And if we talk about the descending order, so like it work on the descending name as well as the descending ID comparer. What they gonna do, like it gonna same work like what we discussed in the ascending order. So it's similar in the descending as well, just a little bit opposite. Like in this one, it will going to be minus, like in ascending we do A minus B, but in descending order we will do the B minus A. But in this, like if we get in B minus A, if we get the output as a negative, it means that the A will come before the B. And like the, if A is null, so in this way, uh in this way the B will come first, and if the B is null, then it means the A will comes first. And after that it will compare the both the names, and they will sort in a string manner. And after that, it will see like if the it will put in the into the name comparer, and after that it will differentiate it, like the, if the name compare doesn't equals to zero, then it will give us the name. But if it's equals to zero, like if they both are same, so then it will go for the, it will going to be sort on the basis of their IDs. Okay, so in this way, like if the names are same, so it gonna be sort the data on the basis of ID. So in this way, we are doing the compare on the both of sides, which we talk in this one as well in the vector.ts file. And and here at the bottom, what we can see, like here we write the number of testers. So to see how our data is working or not. In this one, we can see like v dot sort we use, which is used to call the default, like the default sorting idea, uh, which just basically work on the ascending manner and nothing else. But if we see, like if we talk about this one, like we sort on the basis of the comparer with the ascending in comparer. So in this case, it will use the this one. Sorry, in this one, it will use the int comparer to compare the ascending order as well as the basis on the, if they both names are same, so it will compare on the IDs as well. So here if we see that all our data is working properly or no, so we can check that. So we can see that our sorry, so we can see that our code is working accurately. And so in the last, I can say like I will get a lot of help with my tutor, as well as I attend the, I s- I like I can say like I will see all the class slides, which will be a very helpful for me. And I also get a knowledge with my tutor as well while discussing in the class during the class time as well. And thank you so much.